called the Kinder Egg Surprise Eggs Transformers Boy Collection. So if you missed part 1, you can go down in the description and click on it, the video. So we're going to start cracking these eggs. Here's one of the eggs. Here's the front. It says for boys. Rich in milk over the word Kinder. It says with surprise down here in the red part. This is the back. The company that made it, FSSAI. So there's 2 halves in the egg. One half has the chocolate snack, and one half has the toy. This is the snack that it comes with. It looks pretty yummy. And then this is the toy that it comes with. Transformers, I guess. So yeah, we're going to start opening this egg. Remember to get the split, open these twos. So this is going to be the snack. You can kind of tell by which side says golden rules. And you can tell which one has the toy because the toy has this little thing on it and it kind of looks like a spoon. But yeah, we're gonna open it. There's another splitter that you have to pull on to open the whole egg. And this is what you get with. This is what you get inside that snack part. You got some 2 chocolate balls, crunchy balls. And under this part, I think there might be white chocolate. There's actually brown chocolate in it. So I'm gonna tell you, if you didn't see part 1, I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. So, let's try to get this egg out. Here you go, here's a chocolate ball. There's the chocolate under it. It's good. Okay, we're going to open up the toy now. So yeah, I remember this guy. Anyway, here he is up close if you haven't watched part 1 yet. You just put his feet through these holes, stands up, and he'll be up here. And next egg, let's see, open, split. Okay, let's hope this is not a duplicate. The first one, I don't recognize this guy. I don't think we have this guy. No, I don't actually think. Oh, what's this? Yes, this has to be new. I bet this is new. Yeah, this is new. We don't have this guy. So, there he is. But he's not put together that way. I'll leave it there. That might be important. Next egg. Split it. Snack, spoon. Is this a new guy? I think this is a new guy. I think this is actually a new guy. Do we even? No, we definitely don't have this guy. I cannot recognize him. So yeah, instructions are in there. Trash there. Here's the pieces. Lots of it is green or something, but not all of it's green. Next to that guy. So make sure you stick around Because after we open all the eggs, we're gonna put all the toys together at the end. Out he comes. Let's see. I want to see if I know this guy. I don't think I know this guy. No, I do not know this guy, I think. Even if we did have this guy, I would just put them all in the front. Here's the next egg. Uh-oh. Before I can throw that away, I've got that in. Let's see if I recognize this guy. Oh, I kind of recognize this guy, but there's another guy that from part 1 that you're trying to collect all of those. So yeah, luckily we got this guy. He can go with the other guy that we got from part 1. So yeah, next egg. Oopsie. Okay, I can put it over there. Okay, so I kind of look similar to me and kind of not. Maybe it's a different kind of guy that we got in part 1. Here he is just behind that bunny. In between the bunny and this guy. Next egg. This one comes with a sticker. So yeah, I think it goes with this guy. It goes with this guy, I think. Because the sticker kind of looks familiar. We got this sticker. Wait. Oh my goodness, we got this guy that can go with our other guy. So we got this guy. He was blue, now we have a green one. That's really cool. Let's see if he's on here. The blue one's on the green ones. Oh yeah, so this is the one you're supposed to get. I got the blue one, and now I got the green one. That's really cool. So yeah, really, really cool. So 4th to last egg. Try this again. There we go. Okay, so this guy got some stickers too. Actually, take that back. Let's see, because this kind of looks oopsie. That's okay. We can always, it's a picture, we can always tape it, or we can always fix it. It's just paper. You can always... Wow, so this is a Hot Wheel thing? Why does it look so familiar to me? Anyway, oh wait. Gotta put this guy in a stand. Put him next to the blue guy. There you go. Look at them. Okay, so this is a Hot Wheel, I guess. There are the parts. Third to last egg. One. Oh, we got this guy. This is the guy, Optimus Prime. That's the third of him. So on to the second to last egg, and then we have the last egg, and we'll put them all together. We have seen the second of him now, I think. Wow, really? That's cool. I think we only have we only need 2 more people of this set of Transformers. It's cool. Because we got the dinosaur guy, we've got the red and black guy, we got the yellow and gray guy, we got the blue, red, and gray guy, and we don't have these guys, but I think we'll get them soon. But we're going to put him over here because we're gonna need a new row soon. Really soon. To the last eggy. The last eggy, so we don't want to forget him. There goes the last eggy. Put him in. Put that guy into, and then rip you off. Okay. Oh man, I don't think we got the other guys. But at least we got, I think, a guy that we didn't get before. Let's open you up. Yeah, we haven't seen this guy. We got the blue one. There's a blue and a red one. Put that guy, put that in too. Put that in. So yeah, this is what we've got today. And we're going to go ahead and put them together. And here are all the things that we got and all the pieces. Back, and we all put the toys together. Here's all of them. So yeah, here is toy 1. He has wings. The wings rotate. This is the side. There's a little wing. I'm holding up the wing so we can actually see the side. This is the front of him. Here's the other side. And here's the back of him. And this was toy 1. It was like, it goes with other toys too. Okay, toy 1 done. Here's toy 2. He is gray and green. He is a dinosaur. He has his tail and his legs move actually. His head moves. His tail does not move, or his tail moves a little bit. It's kind of hard to move it. And the arms are connected to the head, so here's the front of him. Here is the side of him. Here is the back of him. And here's the other side of him. So this is actually toy 2, and he can stomp. Pretend he's stomping. and then hold it up in the air, but you're supposed to actually put it down on the table, on the floor. So that was toy 2. On to toy 3. Here's another dinosaur. His legs move. This is his head. His tail. And yeah, he can stomp too. He's marching in Dinosaur Park too. So, yeah, this was toy 3. On to toy 4. You've probably seen, if you've seen part 1, we had this guy, and we had the other guy too from toy 3. His legs move, his arms move, and this is the front of him. This is the side of him. This is the back of him. And this is the other side of him. So he can stomp in like Transformer Land or something. And he can like get some robot food at the Robot Cafe. And so that was toy 4. This is toy 5. His hands move, or his arms. His feet move, and he has a tail, and the tail moves too. This is the front of him. Side of him, back of him, and the other side of him. He's blue and black, or you can say gray. On to toy 6. This guy is green. He is green, and he has some arms. They kind of look like human arms, but I don't think they are. He looks like a frog. A frog. Kind of looks like a frog to me. He has a lime green face. He has like skin color arms, dark green legs, and light green body. This is the back of him. And this is the other side of him. He is, really like green. So this is a motorcycle. This is the side of him. You can take the wheels out and transform him into a robot. The motorcycle into a robot. I'll do that. And so you just put him on the back of him where you're supposed to sit it on. And let's see, move that over a little bit. Put this one on. So yeah, this is what he's supposed to look like. And it kind of does look like a robot. It's like he has legs. So the next toy we have is the Hot Wheel one. It has the giant wheel just like the other toy you've seen in part 1. It moves, it makes it actually move around. Like that. Ooh. And it is yellow. It has something yellow you can put on the black part of it. And you can actually see the black part on the windshield that it's supposed to be on, right there, in the black wheel. So next, here we have a bunny. It's easy to put these. His stand is a cloud. It has a smiley face under its eyes. It has some stars over here. And it is kind of cute. And then here's the bunny that stands on the cloud. He has his ears sticking up. this part of it is orange, and the other part of it is dark blue because he is light blue. And just make sure it's actually on it the right way, not upside down. Next up, we have the green one. So this is not a cloud. The green one stands actually a clover. And here's another a little clover over here too. It has a smiley face too. And this is the bunny that it stands on. Half of it is red, half of it is dark green because he's already light green. He has a smile. He's just like the other one, but green and different colors with a different stand. And he has his cottontail in the back. So he'll go back on his stand. Now this time we're gonna have to clear off the table. Got two of these toys, a red, orange, and yellow one, and a blue and green one. They are tops. And you're supposed to pull this out very quickly, the key, so it can actually go really fast. I'll try this one better. And then it goes really a long time the faster you pull it out. And when you're putting on the top, just make sure you hear the snap. So it's actually, here you go. And there you go. And there they are. And there they all are. And I just learned we got these two, and the other one, and that one too. So that was the rest of the Kinder Egg Surprise Eggs for Boys Transformer series. Please remember to like or subscribe to our channel, CharlieTube, or leave a comment down below. And please remember to check back for our next videos because we'll be having Kinder Egg Surprise Eggs for Girls coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!